Imagine sitting in front of a massive radio telescope, its giant dish pointed at the heavens. For hours, maybe days, all you hear is silence, just the faint hiss of background noise from the cosmos. And then, suddenly, it happens. A blast of radio energy slams into the instrument. It lasts for only a fraction of a second, yet in that brief flicker of time, it releases more energy than our sun does in days. And then, silence again. No warning, no repetition, just a flash, and nothing. These are fast radio bursts, or FRBs, mysterious signals from far beyond our galaxy. Some appear only once. Others repeat, teasing us with patterns we don't understand. Are they the screams of dying stars? The heartbeat of strange objects like Magnetars? Or could they be something more? The universe is speaking. The question is who or what is talking. The first discovery. The story begins in 2007. Astronomer Duncan Lorimer and his student were combing through old data from a telescope in Australia. They weren't expecting much, just the usual background noise of the cosmos. But buried in the recordings, they spotted something strange. A split-second flash of radio energy, so powerful and so unusual it didn't fit anything known. At first, many dismissed it as a glitch. Maybe interference from cell phones, maybe a microwave oven nearby. But then, more telescopes joined the hunt, more signals were found, each one told the same story, a burst of immense power lasting just milliseconds coming from deep space. It wasn't a mistake. It wasn't earthly. These signals were real, but what could unleash so much power in such little time? The power of FRBs. To understand why FRBs stunned scientists, you need to grasp their scale. In less than a second, a single FRB releases as much energy as 500 million suns. Think about that. A cosmic detonation so fierce, if you could see it. With your eyes, it would outshine entire galaxies. Yet it's over before you can even blink, and then silence. By the time telescopes swing in their direction, they're gone. They appear without warning and vanish without a trace. Even stranger, most FRBs never repeat. They flash once, then fall silent forever, as if the universe itself whispered a secret, then slammed the door shut, a cosmic hello, followed by eternal silence. But just when we thought we understood them, the universe surprised us again. The repeaters. In 2016, everything changed. Astronomers discovered an FRB that didn't just flash once. It repeated. This was a game changer. If FRBs were caused by one-time cataclysms, like stars colliding or exploding, they shouldn't repeat. Whatever caused this signal had to be something more stable, something that could fire multiple times. Since then, more repeating FRBs have been found. Some flash randomly. Others seem to follow patterns. One even appeared to follow a 16-day cycle, as if something was orbiting or rotating. Imagine it. A signal from billions of light years away, repeating like a heartbeat in the dark. But whose heartbeat is it? A star? A magnetar? Or something else entirely? Natural explanations. Scientists have proposed several natural sources for FRBs, magnetars. These are neutron stars with magnetic fields so strong they could erase a credit card from halfway across the moon. Magnetars are known to unleash enormous flares. Maybe FRBs are just their violent outbursts. Collisions. Perhaps FRBs are caused by the crash of dense stars, or the final death scream of objects spiraling into black holes, black hole jets. When material falls into a black hole, it can blast energy outward in focused beams. Could FRBs be the flickers of these cosmic engines? Each theory explains part of the puzzle, but none explain everything. Why do some bursts repeat while others don't? Why are they so unbelievably powerful? And why do their frequencies vary so much? The deeper we look, the stranger the story becomes. And then there's the possibility no one can ignore. What if the bursts aren't natural at all? The alien hypothesis. When the first FRBs were detected, some scientists whispered about the most extraordinary possibility: aliens. Could these be signals sent deliberately by another civilization, or the byproduct of some enormous alien technology? 1. Theory imagines gigantic radio transmitters, beacons powerful enough to send messages across galaxies. Another suggests FRBs could be energy beams powering alien light sails, vast sheets propelled by radio waves, pushing spacecraft between stars. Of course, there's no proof. Most scientists lean toward natural causes. But when you're dealing with signals that release as much energy as 500 million suns in a heartbeat, how can we be sure? It's tempting to wonder, are FRBs the universe's way of saying, "You are not alone"? Or are we mistaking thunder for a voice? A growing mystery. For years, FRBs were rare. Just a handful were known. But then came the CHIME telescope in Canada. Unlike traditional telescopes that look at narrow patches of sky, CHIME scans huge swaths all at once. Almost immediately, it began detecting hundreds of FRBs, proving they're not rare at all. They happen constantly, all over the universe. Right now, as you listen to this, countless FRBs are flashing somewhere in the cosmos. But that only deepens the mystery. If they're so common, why can't we explain them? Every new discovery raises more questions. Some FRBs come from nearby galaxies. Others come from billions of light years away. Some repeat, most don't. Some last milliseconds. Others stretch longer. It's as if the universe is sending us a language we don't yet understand. The question is, will we ever learn to translate it? Why they matter. Even if FRBs turn out to be natural, they could become some of the most powerful tools in astronomy. By studying how their signals travel through space, we can map the invisible matter between galaxies, the cosmic web that binds the universe, together. FRBs can also help us measure the expansion of the universe, testing the very fabric of cosmology. Some even believe they might unlock new laws of physics, revealing secrets hidden since the dawn of time. In other words, even if they're not alien messages, they are still messages from the universe itself. And maybe, in solving the mystery of FRBs, we'll uncover truths about reality we didn't even know to ask. So, what are fast radio bursts? Are they the screams of collapsing stars? The heartbeat of magnetars? The thunder of black holes? Or are they the whispers of intelligence from across the void, cosmic beacons calling out to whoever is listening? For now, FRBs remain one of astronomy's greatest unsolved puzzles. Bursts of impossible power, echoing across billions of years, reminding us that the universe is not quiet. It is alive. It is speaking.